Normally, it takes 12 years to bring a new drug to market with only a 1% chance of success. Yet in recent weeks, pharma companies have been announcing new COVID vaccines with 70 to 90% efficacy, all developed within just 12 months. This really is an amazing achievement, but what has made the difference? There are several factors, but one of the key drivers is the digitization of the drug development process, powered by artificial intelligence and supercomputers. These technologies are game changers in the pharma industry, and our company, BioSimulytics, is playing in this exact space. We are focused on digitizing one particular but crucial step in the process, which is to do with how new drug molecules are manufactured in the form of pills. This requires finding the most stable crystal structure of the molecule, also known as the polymorph, because molecules can have many possible stable structures which are viable, and they can change over time from one stable structure to a different one with different chemical properties, even after the drug has been manufactured and shipped for use. This is potentially disastrous for a pharma company. And indeed, the precise identification of the polymorph is now essential in regulatory and patent filings for new drugs. The current method for finding the most stable polymorph is a slow and arduous manual process taking 6 months or longer with uncertain results. It's like trying to find that proverbial needle in the haystack while blindfolded. BioSimulytics has developed a digital solution to the problem. Our software platform can take the most basic 2D structure of a molecule, and using neural network technology on supercomputers, we can predict the full polymorph landscape of that molecule and rank the most stable crystal structures, all within a matter of weeks. Our software is faster, more powerful, and more flexible than any existing solutions, and is truly a game changer in our field. We have filed an international patent application for our technology and have created the spin-out company. We have a strong founding team with the right blend of technical and commercial expertise and experience. We have won our first contract with a major pharma company here in Europe and have signed evaluation agreements with 2 more. We're now closing our first seed round to grow the team, and we'll be raising our Series A in 12 to 18 months from now to expand into the US market. And just to give you a sense for the size of the opportunity, a spin-out from MIT with similar technology to ours closed their Series C round last month for over $300 million, with backers including Google. There is no doubt digital drug development is a big idea that is now turning into big business. We aim to be part of it and are inviting you to join us on this exciting venture. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Peter. Well, given that you mentioned a competitor getting $300 million in funding, is that your ambition for your business?
Yeah, one step at a time, probably, Matt. We've just done the spin out and we have our first contracts, which is fantastic. So we want to initially complete the full validation of our technology in the market, and then we'll see from our Series A, Series B, which way we go. They're particularly targeting a part of the market to do with discovering new drugs, which is why it needs huge money, but obviously huge potential reward. At the moment, we're focusing on drugs that have been discovered, are in preclinical phase 1 trials. And that in itself is a lucrative opportunity, and then we'll see where we take it from there.
You mentioned, though, that they had got Google as an investor. Is that something that you might look to as well, to get one of the tech giants to be a partner in your development?
Yeah, I mean, as I said in the presentation, it's AI and supercomputing, high-performance computing that is a huge driver in this. There's an amazing amount of innovation going on. Google are not just exclusive with that particular company. They're backing lots of players in it. So we're certainly keen to talk to them and to big pharma. And there's a lot of big companies in life sciences software that we are talking to. Their potential exit for us in time. So yeah, we obviously want to keep all our options on the table.
And Peter, how helpful is it to you in this business that you've been through it a number of times before with other businesses?
Yeah, I'd like to think it helps, Matt, because yeah, I've seen what works and what doesn't work, and I can't say everything's been a great success. So, but that's huge learning. So it definitely makes a huge difference in coming into a small team like this and hopefully avoiding some of the pitfalls.
Thank you very much for being with us.